This is Michael de la Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about affiliate marketing for beginners. And so, if you're a person that don't have any experience, if you're a person that don't, you're not techie, you don't know, of, this is this is pretty much the first time you've been exposed to affiliate marketing. Well, in this video, my friend, I'm going to show you the grandma proof way of truly achieving success with affiliate marketing, just like I have over the years. So stay tuned, coming right up. Okay, so before I get to the steps of how affiliate marketing works, and and how you can start really succeeding from it, how you can start profiting from the comfort of your home through affiliate marketing, how you can build a successful online business, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, just click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next upcoming videos where I'm going to share more value. And let's go ahead and get started. So let me go ahead and share my screen very quick. So you can see I got my screen here, shared, and I'm gonna use my little paint program here to illustrate you how affiliate marketing works, and pretty much what are the things that you need in place, even if you have no previous experience. Like, let me just focus on that. Let me put stress on that and emphasize that you do not need any previous experience to really do what I'm about to show you here, to succeed and to truly build a profitable online business. I've been doing this from home. As you can see, I'm from the comfort of my home. I'm here with my wife, and pretty much this has given me freedom, right? Freedom to do the things that I love doing and really help people also succeed on the internet. And I've done it thanks to affiliate marketing. Now, before I share with you how affiliate marketing works, let me just share with you how income is made on the internet, okay? And then I'm gonna connect it to how affiliate marketing can help you with this, okay? So the first thing you need to make income on the internet, to make that first dollar, that first dime online, this is how people are making anywhere from 2 to 10,000 a month, from home. Some of them are doing it per day, but to be realistic with you, let's say you want to make $500 per day, right? Between $300 and $500 per day. This is what you need in place. These are three things that I teach people, the only three things you're going to need to really make income online. And then I'm going to illustrate you how affiliate marketing can help you out. So the first thing you need to make income on the internet is traffic, right? Traffic, and traffic is pretty much eyeballs, right? This is pretty much people searching on the internet for solutions, okay? And the second thing you need is a high converting system, right? I'm gonna type down high converting system, and you can write this down as notes so that way you remember. This is the only thing I'm telling you, this is the only thing you need to really make a profitable build a profitable online business. It's not just for the sake of making money or earning money from home. It's just for the sake of you building the life that you want to live, building the life that you desire. Because me, for example, I used to be in a cubicle job, super stressed out, not having any energy to spend quality time with my wife or my loved ones. I just woke up, went to work, came home, sleep straight out with no energy whatsoever. And finding affiliate marketing, finding a way to really replace my income, a way that I can truly embrace time freedom and financial freedom, has allowed me to do that, right? It has allowed me to spend more time with my wife now, has allowed me to really free myself time so I can enjoy the things that I love doing. So this is why I do this. It's because I want to be there for my loved ones. I want to make a difference in people's lives, and that's why I'm also sharing this with you in this video. So and by the way, if you don't want to miss out on any of these videos, click that like button and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on any other awesome content that I share like this, that I'm sharing with you, because this really has the potential to change your life just like it has changed mine. So let's continue. So you're gonna need traffic, right? And traffic is pretty much eyeballs, as I said. People searching for solution. Like when I was in a cubicle job, and I was stressed out. I knew that I needed change, so I went online to search for ways that I can make income, and that's how I found affiliate marketing. Now, the second thing you're gonna need is a high converting system, right? A high converting system that's pretty much gonna do the heavy duty. It's gonna do the telling and selling on your behalf, so that way you don't have to. So all you gotta do, and this is how it connects. All you gotta do is drive traffic into this high converting system that's gonna do again all the telling and selling, and it's gonna truly make your life easier. It's gonna give you freedom. If you heard of people making money while they sleep, passive income is actually thanks to them having a system. This is how I do it. The other day I woke up and I can share with you some results very quick that I got. And so I'm gonna go to my private group very quick, and I'm gonna share with you the screenshots that I posted on there. And pretty much this is pretty much people right here as I'm pointing. These are actually subscribers. These are people that said, hey, look, and I'm interested in what you're offering, and they actually subscribe to my list so they can get information on what it is that I'm offering. Okay, so and this I woke up to this. This happened on autopilot while I was away from my computer. That's the beauty of having these three things that I'm telling you, that high converting system. And then the system, did all the follow up for me. So then I also made some commissions of that traffic that I drove. So I drove traffic of interested people. Traffic again is eyeballs, interested people that are interested in what I'm offering. And then those people said, some other people said, okay, I'm interested, give me more info. So then they subscribe to my email list so I can follow up with them, right? And then once they subscribe to my email list, which I'm building right now, then I can, I follow up with them in case they didn't, they didn't have time to watch the presentation, or they pretty much, we got ADD, we forget things. And then when I did that, after that, then basically I just keep, following up with, with these people that subscribe. And then, as you can see, I also got some commissions on there coming in too, of people that actually made a decision to, to get into the program or get into the product that I'm offering, which really is going to help them solve the problem that they're after. Okay, so in case you didn't know, I help people make income on the internet through affiliate marketing so they can truly live a life of freedom. All right, and by freedom I mean whatever freedom means to you, being able to do the things that you love doing when you want to do it, with whom you want to do it. It doesn't matter. Freedom is different for each person. So I help people make income online, make money, because if you want to, let's say, travel more, spend more time with your family, guess what? Bills needs to be paid. So you need to find a way to make income that is passive, in order for you to make the income and also have the time to do the things that you want to do in your life. All right, and that's the beauty about affiliate marketing. So okay, I'm going back to my pain here. So okay, so we have the high converting system. We said that you need that in place so you can, it's going to give you freedom. Then the third thing you need is pretty much a value ladder, right? And a value ladder is actually products. You need something to offer. You need something to offer people, right? You need something to offer people, something that solves a problem. A lot of times I see people struggling with this because they think that they're actually putting the product in front of the wrong audience. So the way that you do this, for example, if you're driving in the highway, you're driving on the street, and you see you're hungry. Let's say you're hungry and you're looking for a place to eat, and you see a restaurant right in front of you. You will normally just, stop by, or you see a food truck or something. You're gonna go buy food, right? And that food truck right there has different type of products in there, so it can actually solve your problem of being hungry. So let's say the food truck or the restaurant, you go there and you see, burgers or hot dogs, whatever your favorite food is. So you go in there and you look at that, and then let's say you need sodas and you need French fries, and you want to upgrade, you want to supersize it and get more. That way you can solve your problem of being hungry. So you eat that food and you consume it, so you got what you wanted, right? You already solved the problem. That's the same thing people do online. They go to Google to find solutions. Just like how you found this video, you're watching this video, you saw it, you probably searched for it, and you found me, right? and now I'm giving you the solution to the problem of understanding affiliate marketing. I know as you're starting out, this might be a little Greek, but this is why I'm illustrating to you in a way that you can understand it and in a way that makes sense, so you can actually go out there and start doing affiliate marketing, so you can achieve the success that you're looking for, achieve that income goal, that freedom that that you're after. Okay. So again, so you need a traffic, a high converting system, and you need a value ladder. Value ladder is just a lot, just a lot products in place that solves a problem. Now, let me connect this to affiliate marketing. How can you connect this to affiliate marketing? All right. So with affiliate marketing, I'm just typing here as I talk. So with affiliate marketing, you pretty much can actually get all those three things done, because although all those three things I'm telling you are simple, they're truly, truly hard to set up yourself, especially if you're starting out, right? So example, traffic. In order to learn the skill of getting traffic, driving traffic into a system, you have to learn, you have to have skills to do that, right? In order for you to set up a good high converting system, you have to do research. You have to, spend money on hiring, technicians, hiring people that are not even, hiring people that might even not even know what they're doing. You can run the risk of doing that. Also, you're going to have a hard time creating your own products, because you have to do product research, you have to do market research, see what people want, and then you have to create products from scratch, right? And if it's not the right product, you might actually end up losing money and just ended up being frustrated, right? So, with affiliate marketing, though, all of that stuff is already done for you. This is why I love affiliate marketing, because you're pretty much being affiliated, or you're partnering with a company that already has all this done for you. And when you bring this company, customers, right, the company's going to pay you a commission, right? That's how affiliate marketing works. A good example I can give you is pretty much real estates, right? In real estate, let's say you work for a real estate agency, and you got your real estate license and all that. So you're licensed to sell houses, right? The house is not yours. It's on the market through the agency that you work for. But when the sale that you made of that house, when it's made through you made that sale. Guess what? The company's gonna keep a portion of that money, and it's gonna pay you a portion of that sale, if that makes sense. So it's gonna pay you commissions. Let's say you sell a house for $500,000, right, or $300,000, or whatever the currency is where you're watching this from. Guess what? You're gonna get a big chunk of money, because you make that sale. You expect to at least make $50,000 from that, right, or whatever the currency is where you at. So that's the same thing with affiliate marketing. You're pretty much being paid for bringing clients to companies. All right. How I make the money with affiliate marketing, when I started out, I actually found this company that was actually doing digital products. Why I love digital products? Because digital products are there to consume right away, and you don't have to get out of your house. You can do it from the comfort of your home. You don't have to wait for shipment to come in, so you can for things to arrive and have inventory and all that stuff that is just time consuming. When you do affiliate marketing with digital products, the product is already ready to consume as soon as the purchase is made. So meaning that somebody's going to log into a members area, and they already are going to access the digital products, right? So this is how powerful affiliate marketing is. This is why it can change your life, because it eliminates you having to be techie, you having to have any it eliminates the fact that you have to have any experience to even do it. You just plug, get in the system, follow the steps, and just pretty much see results come in. Let me go back to the illustration on my Facebook group. If you're interested in joining this group, it's actually free. I post trainings on there daily. The group name is Let's Get Rich Online, Michael's Ultimate Internet Marketing Training. You can actually look me up on Facebook. I'll leave a link on my Facebook, my Facebook below, in the description, so that way you can connect with me on Facebook and just ask me to add you to my private group. It's pretty fun, and all I look is for engagement, and again, I post a lot of value on there in that group. So anyways, so right here, as you can see, that's the subscribers. So what I did, okay, so what I did, I drove traffic. I already have, okay, let me close that. So I already have pretty much, I already have, an affiliate marketing program, right? I have a supplier. I have a company that really provides me with products, useful products that people are looking for already. I'm talking about people already looking for, so you don't have to chase anybody. When you have a high converting system, you don't even have to pick up the phone. You don't have to leave your house. You don't have to go do hotel meetings. This is not like network marketing, right? It's different. Use pretty much driving traffic. This is what's so powerful about having digital marketing or a digital online business, is that use drive traffic into a high converting system that a company already provides me with, and when a sale is made through the products, through the value ladder that the system is doing on my behalf. So I'm not doing the telling and selling. I'm having the system do the telling and selling, right? The telling and selling, all the explaining, all the questions going to be answered through the system right here. And when nobody has time, let's say, to watch the telling, the information about the product, then you can follow up with them. So I drove traffic into this converting system, and then some people needed more info, so they didn't purchase anything right away. But as they get more info, they're going to eventually purchase something, right? Or it's like if you have a shoe store and somebody needs shoes, they go into the store, and sometimes if there's not what they're looking for at that time, maybe they'll wait. So you just gotta send enough traffic into there of people that are already interested, and then you're gonna start generating sales. So affiliate marketing really eliminates the having to know all this, right? You can actually earn while you're learning, and that's the beauty. That's what I love about affiliate marketing. Okay, so that is it for today. I appreciate you, and let me go ahead and I'm just gonna end it there. So traffic, high converting system, and a value ladder, that's what you need to generate income, and then you use affiliate marketing, which already has all this done for you. Okay, so hope that gave you clarity as far as what is affiliate marketing and how you can use it to succeed online. Now, if you want to know about or learn more about what affiliate program or affiliate marketing program I recommend for you to succeed online, below this video there is a link. Go ahead and click that link, fill out the details, and get instant access to that free training, because it's gonna show you exactly what I use to truly make a full-time income from the comfort of my home using affiliate marketing. So go ahead and click that link below if you want to learn more about it. And thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.